The elections are coming up. I just want to ask you a couple of questions. Who do you think is going to come to power, the UPA or the NDA?
NDA, Modi. I hope for UPA. NDA आना चाहिए.
UPA, obviously Narendra Modi.
I would go for AP if they are like standing.
No idea.
UPA.
NDA obviously.
I would want NDA to come right now.
NDA.
Not all the UPA. I don't expect them coming up, but the other.
I just hope somebody who's not spoiled or somebody who's actually not corrupt should come up.
Some other party.
Neither. Not interested.
Narendra Modi.
Which coalition is he part of?
UPA.
Do you know what the UPA stands for?
Yeah, the Rahul Gandhi thing, right?
UPA stand for corruption.
United Political Alliance.
Full form, I don't know the full form. I know the only corruption.
The UPA is I'm going blank. The United. All right. And the United.
I don't know.
United Providence Alliance.
United Political Alliance.
United Progressive Alliance.
United Progressive Alliance.
Okay, and what does the NDA even stand for?
I just don't remember that.
Democratic Alliance, I think.
National Democratic Alliance. National Democratic Alliance.
National Democratic Alliance.
National Dash Alliance.
Demoralize.
Who's in the NDA? What are the other parties in the NDA? Because it's not just one party, right?
I'm not that aware of that.
Congress leads it. I know that. The rest are the state parties which are affiliated by Congress only.
BJP.
No.
JDU. As in, what do you mean?
Which party is a part of the NDA for the elections this time?
I have no idea. Like, I didn't get that. That's all.
BJP, Shiv Sena, and now a new party has a end of one Bihar's. The name.
The third friend you're talking about?
The NDA.
I have no idea about that.
BJP is the majority party.
So the BJP is part of the NDA.
Okay, I didn't know that.
And Shiv Sena, SAD, Akali Dal.
Sorry, I didn't have that much information about politics. Nitish Kumar की party है.
Nitish Kumar की best है.
Nitish Kumar has joined? No.
They have.
BJP, Janata Dal, JDU.
Jayalalitha's party from Tamil Nadu.
Jayalalitha joined the
She is
NDA.
thinking of joining as per the Times of India or other newspapers.
Okay. Do you know which other parties are there in the UPA?
NCP, Congress, NCP, and RJD, Lalu's RJD, and DMK was there in the UPA.
The UPA is Indian National Congress, and there is Trinamool Congress.
Yeah, in UPA, there is one in Maharashtra, Sharad Pawar party. Okay, and other one is, I think, one or two party more. Lalu other party, RJD.
Other parties, I don't know exactly the things. Sushma Swaraj's party, I don't know the names. I don't know the names actually.
What do you think about the third front?
Okay, no idea.
Welcome change, but it would be too much of a coalition thing.
A third front is not. They are also useless.
Third one, I don't think.
I think third front is a third class only.
Third front will be Aam Aadmi Party.
It's really embarrassing me right now. really embarrassing. I think I'll have to go up and read on all my GK.
No. Just the focus has been up in BJP, so that's what I'm going through.
For third front, I have no idea, but I think we'll be saying for UP only.
It's a combination of a lot of parties which seem to have come together just to beat the two parties which we seem to be talking about mostly.
I don't think it will. No idea. I don't think they have that much majority that they could come in majority like power.
They are just wasting our time. That's it.
But do you know who's part of the third front this time?
Third front mostly AAP, and I think it would be kind of a fractured politics, but mostly AAP and BJP would be forming the coalition government.
Up. If you call Aam Aadmi Party, then it's in the third front.
There's and many other from like West Bengal parties and like Bihar parties also that Nitish Kumar.
Nitish Kumar is in every group for you.
Right now it's alliance of left parties and I don't remember party names, but yeah.
Jayalalitha party. and one was SP Samajwadi Party, Mulayam Singh Yadav Party, and one was that in Orissa, what the name of, I am not remembering the name of that.
Samajwadi Party, JDU, Janata Dal United, Nitish, and that's it, and AIA, DMK.
And we are not that much into politics.
Ask me cricket, I'd be able to answer that. And yes, I know that's not a very good thing. You should know about politics.
What about the BRB party that just joined from Bihar? They're a very unreliable partner because they were part of the UPA, then they left the UPA.
They joined NDA.
And now they're joining NDA. Do you think they can be trusted, or do you think they'll be a bad alliance partner?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I would like to. I've not heard much about that.
I am from Bihar. I know in 2004 elections they were as the third front. Then they joined UPA, and now they are with India. So they are just changing their fronts.
I don't think they're not stable. Then they won't be. They won't, turn out to be a good alliance.
A party needs to have one ideology, right? You can't have a party jump like that.
You see people jumping from here and there, what's the purpose of that? Well, you don't know whether they would be trusted later in the elections or not. It's just political game. It's just political game.
Bad for the reputation, and it's difficult because people don't know where will they align. I mean, their inclinations.
Not good at all for Indian politics.
These are like a pendulum. These are like a pendulum only. They are not good for country also, and their stands are not clear for the political issue.
But if they are joining, I think Narendra Modi would think something, and then only he will join with the DRD, so he will gain some votes and seats from the south. That's why he's joining BJP.
It's not a good move by BJP.
Okay.
With shaking hands with them.